How to get refund on Shein app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can ask for refund or how you can get refund on Shein. Now first you want to simply open up your Shein application here. Now the process is quite simple and easy. First here, once you open up this, what you want to do is, I'll just cross this. Now you want to tap on the me option at the bottom of the screen. You can see various options at the bottom. You can see shop category, new, bag, and me. You want to simply tap on me at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do so, you can see my orders option there. Beside it, you can see view all option. You want to simply tap on view all. Now once here, you'll be able to see all your orders here that you have completed. On the item that you would like to return, you want to simply tap on that particular item and tap on order details. Then click the return item button here. Unfortunately, I don't have any orders, so once you tap on there, select the items you would like to return and then indicate the reason, and then tap on next step, and then it'll ask you for select refund method. You'll be able to select the refund method. Once you do so, you can either select one of two methods to get your refunding, and it will take time depending on the type of refund you choose. So this way you can get refund on Shein. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.